I can't call Mom. She's gonna kill me. There's 3 of them? Oh, this is a nightmare. No.
Pride and Prejudice. You're a long way from home. What are you doing in true crime?
Asking about my beard regimen. Kraken! Kraken ahoy! She's back! Oh, she's coming for me!